all viewers. Today I, Akshara Tandon of class 8C, going to present a speech on different kind of industry. The primary, secondary and tertiary industry represent the different kinds of industries, businesses in a country economic setup. These major types of industries differ based on economic activities, income levels as well. In this article, we will discuss the three different types of industries in detail and understand the major types between them. In a primary industry, the economic activities usually depend on the environment of that specific region. The economic activities in a primary industry revolve around the usage of the natural resources of the planet like vegetation, water, minerals, earth, etc. In this industry, the major economic activities are harvesting, hunting, fisheries, pastoral activities, mining, agriculture, extraction and afforestation. The people engaged in working in the primary industry are generally referred to as red-collar workers. In a secondary industry, the economic activities revolve around the adding value to the natural resources by transforming the various raw materials into usable and valuable products. This is done via several processing, manufacturing and construction industries. The workers belonging to this industry are generally referred to as blue collar industry. In a tertiary industry, the major economic activities including exchange and production. Production usually involves the provision of a large array of services consumed on a large scale by millions. Thanking you all. Have a nice day.